even the fucking ducks are smart enough to fly away. They're like, gotta get away. There's a waterfall.
Oh,
It says danger, waterfall ahead, portage now. Do not attempt to go over waterfall. Recent deaths. Goodbye, fish.
Goodbye, fish.
Get the fuck out of the bed.
Oh,
Here you go.
he ate his fry fish cigarette. Recent deaths from failed attempts. 2 of them. One in '99, and the other one in 2000. And it says keep off dam.
Alright, now it's time to get in the back of the canoe.
Right now.
Yep. Yeah. Work your way back slowly. Don't rock the boat too much.
Like this.
Yeah.
This is gonna fucking suck. What if I crouch down,
Well, you
like
want to be in
into
the
the boat,
crouch position.
like in the boat though?
Nate, stop paddling on that side. Nate, get in the back. Get in the back now.
Oh, come on, Nate.
Careful, careful.
Don't tip us, dude.
Stay low,
Turn the
Nate.
canoe,
Stay
Justin.
low.
Turn the canoe. Other way. Other way.
Other way.
Other way.
Holy fuck, dude.
This is us going over the fucking shit.
Here we go. Here we go. Hold on.
Cold.
We made it!
Cold.
We fucking made it!
Oh,
Let's
Keep it very balanced. Keep it very balanced.
let's dock and dump the water.
Yeah.
Hold on.